Okay, today we're going to go through another regular expression practice problem. I personally think this is the best way to learn because you can kind of familiarize yourself with real world examples like they show you in today's practice problem. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. We're getting close to 3,000 subscribers as of right now at least, and I really do appreciate it. And if you're bored, feel free to check out my codingunderpressure.com website, and I try to put content out there regularly, and go check that out. Today we're looking at the grayscale colors exercise. They say in this exercise you will need to match 12 and 24-bit colors whose red, green, and blue components are equal. Colors start with the pound symbol. So they show you some examples. Here's some 24-bit, and they'll have 6 characters, and the 12-bit will have 3. And when they have the red, the green, and the blue all being the same, those are the ones we want to match. So 0, 0 is the red, 0, 0 is the blue, and 0, 0 is the green for the 24-bit. And then same with this, A9, A9, and A9 we want to match with. And then we also want to match with the 12-bit, so there'll be 3, and each character of the 3 is the exact same. So we're going to use back references, which we talked about in the last video. If you haven't watched that, feel free to do that. That way you are familiar with them. And let's copy this practice problem and put it in our regex101.com so we can test different patterns. And the first thing I want to do is I want to look for the hash or the pound symbol. And for now, let's just focus on the 24-bit. So it's going to start with the pound, and then we're going to have in a grouping 2 characters, and we're going to see if those 2 characters follow again and then again. So I'm just going to do the \W for a word character, and then we're going to have 2 of these. So in curly braces, I'm going to say 2. And here you can see we have a hash matched, and then we also have the grouping of the first 2 characters after the hash. So like I said, with this grouping, we want to see if that same pattern occurs again. So I'm going to do \1 and then again. So whatever's matched in this grouping, we want to say, yeah, that same thing, we want it to be right here at this place and right here with the other \1 as well. And now we can see the ones where they're all repeating, 0, 0, A9, and A4 are all matches. So perfect. We got the 24-bit taken care of. Now we just need to worry about the 12-bit, and in my case I'm going to use the OR operator. And then same thing, we're going to have the pound symbol, a word, but in this case in curly braces we're just putting 1 because we want to see if just one character is repeating, not a group of 2. And this is going to be our second capturing group, the first one being this one, second one being the one that we just created. So when we back reference, now we want to use the second capturing group, so I'm going to say \2 and \2. Once again, it's going to say what's matched in this grouping, we want it to also reoccur right here and right here. And that's why we get FFF and 0, 0, 0 as a match. So this should work. Let's copy this pattern here and paste it into the exercise, and we get all of the ones that we wanted to match as green, and down here we get correct. So this showed a real world use of the back reference and how you can use that to find repeating patterns. Hopefully you found this practice problem useful, and I plan on doing some more of these regex exercises in future videos, so stay tuned for that.